You're out on the trail, sun shining, breeze in your face, but halfway in, you realize your backpack is heavy, uncomfortable, and just not cutting it. That's where we come in. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 hiking backpacks to keep you moving comfortably, hydrated, and adventure-ready. Whether you're tackling a mountain, cycling through rugged trails, or just looking for a lightweight day pack, we've got you covered. Your ultimate pack is waiting, and don't go anywhere because we're jumping in right now. Hit subscribe if you're ready to upgrade your gear game, and all the links to these packs are waiting for you in the description below. First up, the Ennivo Rhino Lightweight Hydration Backpack, a game changer for runners and hikers who hate heavy packs. Weighing in at just 8.5 ounces, this 12L nylon backpack is ultralight, yet durable and water-resistant. The 2L BPA-free water bladder ensures you stay hydrated, and thanks to its leak-proof bite valve, there are no surprise drips. The breathable air mesh back and adjustable straps guarantee a snug, comfortable fit, whether you're running or hiking. And let's talk storage. Multiple compartments, mesh pouches for your phone and keys, and even a spot for a Bluetooth speaker make this a must-have for adventurers who like to stay connected. It's versatile, durable, and designed for comfort, making it a top pick. Next, meet the Water Buffalo Hydration Backpack, built for those who never slow down. This 12L hydration pack is ideal for runners, bikers, and festival goers, offering a BPA-free 2-liter water bladder with a leak-proof bite valve and a wide opening for easy refills. The ventilated mesh shoulder straps and padded back panel ensure all-day comfort and airflow. And storage? You get multiple zippered compartments to stash snacks, gear, and essentials, all in a rugged, water-resistant design that can handle any adventure. Whether you're racing down trails or dancing at a rave, this pack keeps you hydrated, hands-free, and focused on the fun. For those who need serious storage, the 50-liter military tactical backpack is an absolute beast. Made from heavy-duty, water-resistant material with double stitching and reinforced zippers, this backpack is built for extreme conditions. It's got multiple compartments, a hidden back pocket, and mall webbing, so you can attach additional pouches and customize your setup. Comfort is key with padded shoulder straps, a ventilated back panel, and ergonomic weight distribution, making it perfect for long treks. Whether you're using it as a bug-out bag, hunting pack, or survival backpack, this tactical powerhouse is designed for durability, organization, and versatility. If you're planning multi-day trips or need a heavy-duty pack for any mission, this one's for you. Next, let's talk about a backpacker's dream, the Teton 55 Leader Scout Internal Frame Backpack. This isn't your ordinary pack. It's feature-rich, durable, and ultra-comfortable for long treks. Designed for men and women, it offers multi-position torso adjustment, so it fits adventurers of all sizes. The open-cell foam lumbar pad and molded channels provide maximum comfort and airflow, reducing fatigue on long hikes. Plus, you get ample storage with a large sleeping bag compartment, compression straps, and spacious pockets for all your gear. And here's a bonus. It comes with a built-in rain cover, so bad, weather won't slow you down. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced backpacker, this pack is built to handle every adventure. Last but not least, meet the Zomake Ultra Lightweight 20-liter Backpack, your go-anywhere, pack-anything companion. Weighing only 0.5 pounds, this backpack folds down to the size of a sandwich. Yes, really. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch with a 20-liter capacity, making it ideal for day trips, shopping, or travel. Made from water-resistant nylon with reinforced stitching, it's built to handle unexpected showers. The main compartment fits clothes and travel essentials, while side pockets store water bottles or umbrellas. And for those night walkers, there's even a reflective strip for extra visibility. Whether you're hopping on a plane, exploring a new city, or just need a reliable backup bag, this one's a no-brainer. And there you have it, the top 5 hiking backpacks for every kind of adventure. Whether you need ultralight, hydration-focused, tactical, or a spacious pack, there's something here for you. Hit the links in the description to check them out for yourself. And don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure pack review. Stay awesome and keep exploring.